mad deals at the thrift stores in Japan. Prices are as low as $2 for quality, high standard product.
Get strong.
Welcome to another vlog, 12 years gone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, anywhere you're at in the world. Come with me as I explore another thrift store in Japan. Quality, quality, quality. Wagwan, my people. They're in Japan and you're not gonna believe this. I've said it before. The thrift store scene over here. Mad thing. Mad thing. Step in a one place named Off House. And my head nearly bust. Product of the highest standard. You name it. From appliances, clothes, footwear, bed, linen, duvet, jewelry, and so much more for a little bit of money. The real thing too. As I said before, they are of the highest quality. I find all different kind of items. I mean, name brands in clothing, in footwear, in jewelry for a little bit of money, and they're of the highest quality. Off house in Japan, selling stuff that individuals have actually used, but they are in very good condition. Off house. That is the name of the place. Me no have to sell my kidney to buy them stuff if I need anything whatsoever. Look here. No, man, look like Japan is definitely a place where you can actually budget and survive. So if you should ever fly to this side of the world, skip the mall. I'm gonna repeat, skip the mall and head to the thrift stores. You will not regret it. It's quality items. I will actually definitely compare these thrift stores to a Ross in the United States. The stuff are of the highest quality and they are not going to allow you to break the bank. House Off is another thrift store that I found, and it go on with things in terms of affordability and very good quality. When I lie, the shirt section mash up my brain. I find crisp dress shirt, clean, fresh, no stain, no rip, for less than 1,000 Japanese yen. Me I talk about real quality, like something you would wear to church. Real thing, man. Real thing. Even the neckties, the scarf, they are looking damn good and of the best quality. You can't beat this there. I buy 3 shirts and 2 necktie and still spend less than a plate of curry goat. A real talk. Japan thrift stores, Japan thrift store, them serious. They want you to look clean and save money at the same time. And as I said before, If you come to this country and is plan to stay long term, you can actually make a budget and seriously survive if you should check out these thrift store. Take my foolish advice. Off House is one of the place you can actually visit.